We're going to continue with page 119. So exercise objectives are create a relationship between a food desert layer representing areas that are low income and have limited access to grocery stores, and the Illinois counties layer. Spatially join the layers so that you can generate a count of food desert within each county. Relate tables. Next, you will relate two tables. So, which allows you to quickly see relationships between separate data sets. In ArcGIS Pro, continue working with the health study project and activate the Illinois map. So where's my Illinois map? It's this one then. And I want to bring my view and then contents. So working with the health study project and activate this. Turn off the med income in 2004. 2004 turn off and turn off this as well. And then we're going to collapse their legend. Okay. Clicking from. Alright, and then turn it off if you did not successfully complete the previous step, which we did. Alright, we can just do add the food desert layer, go to insert and add folder, not connection folder, it should be map, add data, and then not obesity that I created. So it said to add the Illinois food desert layer file from that data folder, open a table and examine its all attributes. Okay, and attribute table. All right. Okay, and I'm going to drag it here. So this layer shows Illinois data for the census tract level rather than the county level. Notice the field named this one, LILA tracts. This field tells you if a census tract is considered food desert. So low income, low access. So a value of 1 means that the tract is a food desert. A value of 0 means it is not. The symbology scheme is set to show only the tracts that have a low income, low access tracts value of 1. Notice too that only the rows that have this value, low income, low access tracts value of 1 have a county value. This is important. So now let's see. Wow, a lot of county is 1, but still a lot of it's 0. You will relate the low income Illinois food desert table to the 2010 layer. That way, for each county, if there are statistics for food desert, you can easily see them. You will relate the table based on a common field, the county name field, because only tracts that qualify as food deserts have a county name value. The tracts that are not considered food deserts are left out of the operation. So in the table, in the contents pane, right-click on 2010. So what we're gonna do is right-click on 2010, points to joins and relates, and click Add Relates. Add Relates. Okay, and then select the following tool parameters and then run the tool. So for the layer and table view is 2010. Input relates. We're going to do Illinois county name because they have the same field. State name, it will be name. Then we have the Illinois food relate table. It's not obesity. It will be Illinois food deserts and based on county, not county FIPS. So county, And relay name is relay 1, one to many. So cardinality, wow, cardinality is the relationship that you join the table. So layer name or table view is 2010, and we're going to check again. Input relay field is name, relay table is Illinois food desert, output relay field is county. And we have relay name, relay 1, and cardinality is 1 to many for relates. If you are choosing a cardinality rule of 1 to many because there may be more than one food desert per county. So because if we move it here, check it here, and it didn't show up yet. Maybe visible here, it didn't show up. All right. So then we're going to click run. So, okay, now the add relate is successful. Activate the select tool and on map tab, and we're going to click the county show in the graphics. So activate the select tool. Activate the select tool. So we're going to do is bring this back. Let's go to zoom to layer. Alright, something wrong is here. We're going to infographs. We're going to select vector select, add data. Did food desert? So we add the layer file. Let's add it again. Hit OK. It's not showing up. Let's see. The topo map is fine. This is fine. Food desert is not showing up. Alright, so we're going to fix the food desert. Layer file. 2010 layer file, add data. Illinois. Click. Oh, that's not correct. Remove. What happened to this layer file? Alright, let's find a minute to see what was the issue here. Add this, okay, and then open table. We close the table and we did relates. But when we add this layer, something wrong is here. Collapse. This one shows up. How come not this one? Might be broken. Alright, click cancel. Alright, so I'm going to save it, project, and save, and then close it out. Yes, okay. Let's just close everything, and then we will bring it back. Alright. Getting to know ArcGIS Pro. Health. Where is our health study? Health study. Alright, here. And if we do not have it, let's see. It says in the results folder. Oh, it's right here. Alright. Okay, it's not showing up, and I will try it again. If not, then we have to go to the other contents. It's not showing up. We're going to go to the other one and see. Close this out. Alright, closing project, and we're going to go bring this back. Hopefully, the food desert is going to show up in here. Going to click view, contents, and turn this off. Turn everything off except the 2010, right? And we're going to collapse this, clip this, and clap this, and do not show this too. And I have 2010, and we're going to go to map, add data, and food desert. Alright, it's not showing up, and we're going to add data, and let's go back to health data, results, index. Oh, nothing happens here. So, data. And I need to figure this out. This layer is not added here. Let's see. Let's go to symbology. Alright. Okay, color scheme. Let's just do one field. Okay. That's our track data, unique fields, and color scheme. There. Alright. So that's why. Okay. And we can go back to my document. No, I don't have to save it. So, right, let's back to my health study. And it's not a transparent. I don't know why it's not showing up. And I don't want a lot of different colors, so that's weird. Alright, so now I'm invisible this one. I'm going to right click on it, symbology, and not this color ramp, and that's the correct one, and format color scheme, and I just want one color. Alright, color ramp, but not this one. Alright, let's just do this pattern. There. Alright. What else? What other pattern they have? Alright, so that's the one we had. And I don't like this color, and now I can change the color. I just make this them. So it's stand out. Alright, so finally, it's on symbology. Okay, now we're going to do is we already did the relates. I don't know if we have to do it again. Then we can show this, and we're going to open this attribute table. Open the attribute table because I close it out and the relates shouldn't be there. So that we're going to not here. We're going to close this out. I'm going to close this out, and I have to perform the relates again. So right click on this, and we're going to joins and relates, and go to relates. So add a relate and drill processing, and remember that input field, it will be 2001, and then this one we will have a name, and relates table is the food deserts one. Oh, let me just remove this. Remove. All right, let's do it again. Joins and relates. Oh, no. Joins and relates. Okay. Spatial. Oh, no, not spatial join. All right, right click on it. And we're going to go to joins and relates, and then add relates. Oh, I think we already did it. So because right there it says remove all relates. And then we're going to okay. But we didn't select anything, that's why. Alright, so now we go back to map and select, and if we can select one county. So, this county, and we select it. So it says open this, and then we can see there was one here that is highlighted. Open this attribute table, and we click show, select records button, and then we have two tables here. that at the top of the table we click, let me drag it out. So at the top of the table we click the relates data